Do you want to become a software developer in Europe, but don't have a tech degree? You're not alone. Thousands of career changers and job seekers are doing it right now. And in 2025, it's easier than ever, if you follow the right steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go from zero to job ready in Europe, without spending thousands on university. So whether you live in Germany, France, the Netherlands, or anywhere in Europe, this roadmap is for you. Subscribe now if you want weekly career roadmaps, and comment below with your country. I'll reply with custom tips for your region. Let's start with why software development is one of the best careers in Europe right now. Over 1 million tech jobs are currently open in Europe. Average salaries? 50,000 euros plus for juniors, and double that for seniors. You can work remotely or move to high-tech hubs like Berlin, Amsterdam, or Stockholm. And guess what? Most companies now care more about your skills than your degree. Here's what you actually need to learn. Front-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, back-end Node.js or Python, or even Java if you like structured languages. Databases, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, tools, Git, GitHub, basic Linux, soft skills, communication, teamwork, problem solving. Pro tip, start with web development. It's the fastest entry path for beginners. Want a free PDF with all these tools and links? I'll pin it in the comments. Just drop a like if you find it useful. So how do you actually learn this stuff? Here are the best platforms. freecodecamp.org. Great for total beginners. The Odin Project, real-world full-stack projects, CS50 by Harvard, amazing intro to computer science. Udemy, paid but affordable, around 10 to 15 euros per course. LinkedIn Learning, good for job-related tech courses. The key is, don't just watch, build projects, break stuff, repeat. No degree? Then your portfolio becomes your diploma. Build 3 to 5 solid projects, a simple to-do list app, a blog with authentication, a weather app using an API, bonus, a personal portfolio website. Push all of this to GitHub and create a LinkedIn profile showing what you've built. Want me to review your portfolio? Drop your GitHub link in the comments. Once you're ready, start applying. Here's how. Remote jobs. Use sites like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and AngelList. Local jobs, use LinkedIn Jobs and Indeed, filter by country. Referrals, join developer communities like Discord, Reddit, and LinkedIn groups. Country tips. Germany loves formal resumes, so add your GitHub link. The Netherlands is startup friendly. Side projects help. France may require French in small companies, but tech firms often use English. And yes, juniors do get hired, you just need to show potential. Don't let fear or comparison stop you. Thousands of people across Europe are landing tech jobs without a degree, just by learning consistently and showing what they can do. Here's the truth. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to spend 30,000 euros on a bootcamp. You just need a plan, discipline, and community. And now, you've got the plan. If you're serious about becoming a developer, subscribe to Skill Climb right now. I'm going to walk you through every step, career by career, skill by skill, all focused on Europe. Comment below with your country. I'll reply with tips just for you.